This is life, and we all know it's always changing. There are good times, and then there are not so good times. But life never stops and it has to go on. If we talk about today's times, we all are going through tough time, facing too many problems because of this pandemic. This virus is playing nasty role and taking a toll on life. We as individuals respond differently to different situations in life. Some are able to deal with it and some might need help to deal.
Hi, this is Janvi. Thank you for tuning in. So, today we are going to talk about 5 signs to understand if you need help to deal with life situations or you need to see a therapist to deal with the life situations. Let's begin. So, the first sign is apathy. Apathy means losing interest in life or losing interest in usual activities or life in general or world around. Apathy to certain level is still manageable or still okay. We may go through such levels in or such phase in life for some time. But if it increases a certain level or it goes on for a longer period, then it's time you need to see a therapist. Second sign, social withdrawal. Being introvert is one thing. Feeling detached from other people for some time or on some days is also possible. But if you start avoiding people altogether or feel anxious or nervous when you are around the people or you fear being with people, then it's certainly a time that you see a therapist. Third sign, fatigue. It's often a physical symptom but results mostly out of mental issue or accompanied by mental health issue. Chronic tiredness or sleepiness, moodiness or irritability. If that is persistent, if that is happening with you for a longer time or frequently, then it's a sign of depression, and that's why you need to see a therapist or talk to your therapist. Number 4, constant worry. Worry is normal in small doses, but if you're constantly worried about known or unknown things, you're constantly worried to the level that you're not able to enjoy the life the way you should be able to, or you're deprived of the pleasures of life, then it's a sign of anxiety and certainly a sign that you need to see a therapist. Number 5, substance abuse. If you have been drinking heavily or using drugs, it might be because you want to cope up with certain deep rooted mental health issues. Counseling will help you. Talking to a therapist will help you understand why you are using drugs or alcohol to cope up with what issues. So, certainly talk to your doctor, I would say therapist, if you want to get out of the addiction and live a beautiful life the way you want. So, these are the few signs to indicate you need to talk to a therapist. If you notice or if you sense any of it, then do certainly talk to your therapist. Self-help is the best help. Most of this time, most of the time, the person going through it himself is not able to detect or not able to understand all these signs. In that case, the people around him or the near and dear ones, it is necessary that they understand it, they keep a check on that person and provide all the necessary help required. Thank you so much. Take care of your mental and physical health. We are all in this together. So we will fight it off and we will emerge stronger. So be positive and All the best. Thank you so much.